When I make this pasta recipe, everyone asks me for the recipe. Pour 200 g of elbow macaroni into a pan of boiling water. Season with salt to taste and cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in another pan. Now add 2 cloves of chopped garlic and 1½ chopped onions. Stir well and let it brown, as the aroma takes over the kitchen. Com a cebola e o alho bem douradinhos, a hora de completar com duas colheres de sopa de molho de tomate. Now it's time for the seasoning. Oregano to taste, adjust the salt and don't miss a touch of black pepper. These spices make the sauce irresistible. To make the sauce even creamier, add 100 milliliters of milk and another 100 milliliters of water. Give it a stir and watch the sauce come to life. Now, 200 g of cream and 150 g of melted mozzarella cheese. This is where the real creaminess comes in. Let's add a tablespoon of butter and cook for another minute. The most awaited moment has arrived. Throw the cooked pasta into the sauce and mix everything well. Every bit of pasta will be covered in this incredible sauce. To finish it off, add 50 g of grated Parmesan cheese and a little parsley to taste. See how beautiful and delicious it is. That's it. Our wonderful elbow macaroni with tomato sauce and cheese is ready to be enjoyed. Just look at how creamy it is. Did you like this recipe? Then don't forget to follow our page and like our videos. Share it with your friends. Bon appetit and see you next time.